Well, I'll upload that as a blooper. I'm actually kind of surprised to answer that, and I don't know why I did. That's weird. So, we're gonna use this as the original video, but for what just happened, if you don't see the blooper video, which you should watch, I was getting ready to explain something, and I got a call, and I answered on my watch, and it's the freaking Navy. Apparently, 2 years ago, I had put in, like, an interest survey. I don't remember doing that, but actually, I kind of feel like I did. Whatever. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, I know what it was. It was Cadet Corps. That would have been 2 years ago. Holy crap. Okay. Regardless. So I had to restart this. So I've done a couple of changes. Excuse me if I seem groggy or tired. I've had a migraine for a while, and I actually stayed home from school. It is now 13:50. But, jeez. Okay, whatever. So, as you guys know, I did the battery hack with this, which is taking the 24-volt power and putting it into the battery terminals so it clears the battery triple away. Well, obviously, if you lose AC power, that doesn't, like, give you battery. It doesn't work like that. So, shout out to one of my friends' dad. I'm not going to use his name, but shout out to him because I remembered, I have another one somewhere. Where did it end up going? Here it is. He gave me this. This one is 12 volt, 6 amp. This is a power supply that takes 120 volt in. This one's actually ungrounded. And puts out this one, like I said, in particular, 12 volt, 6 amp DC. Well, I have another one, and I remembered that is 24 volts. And this system, would you focus? This system works off of 24 volt. So I wired it up. And as you also know, I have a UPS here that powers my server here as well as, you know, the phone system and keeps that all up. So what I did was, this power strip here is running into this UPS, and I wired up that power supply into the power strip. This is the cord going to it. So you got the cord going out and inside of the panel, and it's right there. What this is doing is basically the battery hack, but with an external power supply. But this external power supply is on a battery backup. So I can kill power to the panel and as you can see, backlight won't stay on. I forget the key you press to keep it on. I think it just presses with every key, but as you can see, we have an AC fault, and there's my email. It probably doesn't come through on here though. No. Emergency light kicked in. But we have an AC power fault. Now, I can also unplug the UPS and because it's providing power, it is now running off of complete battery power, because technically it was still running off AC if you think about it, because the UPS was plugged in. Estimated runtime is 332 minutes currently with the current draw with the server off. The server takes a lot of power. So go ahead and flip this back. Let's plug the UPS back in first, not that it matters. Go ahead and flip this back. Our AC fault goes away. It's now dialing. And then, let's see if I can get it. That LED should go green if that's the right one. Whenever there it goes. So the central station just acknowledged it. So why don't we go ahead and run a no power system test. So I will go ahead and unplug the UPS. Because it's on battery power, technically it still thinks it has AC power. So we will go ahead and kill power to the panel. And to make this more realistic, I'm going to go over here and we're going to turn the light off. So the only light I will have is light from the emergency light there. You can probably hear the panel beeping from over here even. can see the emergency light lights up this common space here. Does a decent job of keeping it lit. Everything's mad.